In the tradition of the greatest sound checks of all time, comes your chance to be there to witness firsthand a sound check that no living concert fan has ever seen. On Saturday, March 25th, hours before the public will be invited to see the actual concert, you and a friend of your choice, and only you and a friend of your choice, will be secretly escorted into the empty concert hall to witness the pre-show sound check of Paula Poundstone.
Test, 1, 2. Sounds good.
Then, you and your friend will be invited backstage at the Sheldon Concert Hall moments before Paula takes the stage to wow the audience on that very same microphone, with special reserved seats waiting for you and your friend to enjoy an evening with Paula Poundstone. The Paula Poundstone Sound Check, Saturday, March 25th at an undisclosed, secretly protected time, followed by Paula Poundstone live in concert at the Sheldon Concert Hall. Enter now to witness her sound check, meet Paula personally before the show, and sit in exclusively reserved seats to see her show. All you have to do is like this post and comment on this post on OnStL's Facebook page. Then sit back and wait for those magic words.
Test.
One lucky Paula Poundstone fan will make sound check history right here on Monday morning, March 20th, when we announce our winner. So be sure to check back here on OnStL's Facebook page, the only place we will notify you if you won. This promotion is in no way sponsored, endorsed, or administered by or associated with Facebook. Just saying.